open chalk and I'm going to do some artwork with it. Let's start. This is Crayola and it has 24 chalk pieces. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, we got even black. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we got so pretty colors. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I like it being arranged, so I'm just gonna take them and put them back and use them to dry. I wanna draw a mountain. It's gonna be beautiful. Draw sun, so it's bright and yellow. I'm gonna draw the clouds. Color the clouds in so bluish. Now I'm drawing a cat. Has legs and arms and little eyes and a mouth, ears, and a ball. I think is going to be fun for the kitten to play with. Now I'm going to draw a tree. And I'm going to draw my name. Enjoyed watching my chalk art. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and use the red subscribe button. Touching code to love my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye and I love you. Mwah.